Jerry,
Yeah.
welcome to Indonesia. I want you first introduce your name and your company.
Yeah. My name is Jerry Wu. I'm from China. My Chinese company name is Inkjet Shoe. Yeah.
Okay. Um, Thank you for coming in Indonesia, Jerry.
Terima kasih.
Oke, dia bisa bahasa Indonesia, guys. Oke, we talk about printing. Is the how about your opinion in the 2025 next year and the technology? You know, we know is the not the we say the multipass or the scan. You can say that the technology new is the single pass, right? How about your opinion about that technology, Jerry?
Okay. Actually, in my opinion, in the future, next year, 2025, in all the world inkjet marketing, in my idea, have two kind inkjet business. One kind, maybe the multi-pass inkjet. All the world custom need very clearly printing photo. They may be near the printer is, for example, Epson printer. And another printer business is will be population as a single pass. Yeah, you know, in all the world there's years many factory do the multi-pass printer. Some factory have good quality. Some factory don't have. They only want to do the cheaper price. I don't think so is good business. So in the future, however, in Indonesia, in the European or in the American, is one business must be population is single pass, because single pass have very fast speed.
Okay.
You know, in the future, every print factory, every day he couldn't receive many big order. In the future, maybe every day his sales only receive many small order. How to deal with it? Many print factory worry about it, how to deal with it. He only use digital single pass printer. So, you know, the single pass printer have good quality printing photo and have very fast speed.
Okay.
He could printing per minute 30 or 40 meters.
Okay.
So I think it's good business in the future. Okay, it's my opinion.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know, the single pass have many brand can be the single pass system. You know, it's about the HP printhead and the Epson printhead, maybe Ricoh. It can be the single pass system. You can explain it, Jerry?
Okay. In my opinion, actually, if you do this single pass business, we could choose many different kind, different brand print head. But if you want to do what best, you must, in my opinion, the best choice is HP. Why?
Why?
Because HP print head is cheapest. And HP print head have a biggest print head. The print head size is 30 cm. Don't choose smaller. The 30 cm print head could printing the clear photo, and the speed is very fast. And you also could choose Epson, also could choose Ricoh, but I think Epson and Ricoh print head could use for UV single pass, maybe. But now, in my idea, all the world, if you want to do UV single pass, not have one company do the very successful. Because if you want to do UV single pass business, you know, every day you custom master printing different media, different material. How to deal with it? You must choose best new print head. The print head, the price is very high. You know, the first. And the second, if you want to do different kind of material every day, you must choose the best ink. But in all the world, best quality ink maybe have, but very, very less. But in the world best inkjet single pass market, we have good quality pigment ink. You know, yes, we do the world best, but all the custom printing the material used for food packing, for example, pizza box, for example, paper cup, for example, paper bag. If the weather not good, have a reeling. If you choose that, it's not good. So I suggestion our agent choose best quality pigment ink is good. So I think in the future, 2 years, the world best single pass marketing is have very biggest. Yeah. So I think HP print head is all the machine factory the best choose.
How about maybe the UV single pass and let's say the water base is different from the application, right, Jerry? In Indonesia, hope the UV single pass can application, but I don't see about this technology in Indonesia. Maybe it's the high technology, or I don't know, but you can explain about the UV single pass in the future.
You know, our company in China is the first company to single pass business. Our company have many engineers to develop the single pass technology. It's a very high technology. In my opinion, maybe in the future, next year, I could develop UV single pass. And I decided I want to use Epson print head because in the Epson have one print head bigger. The price print size 30 cm. In my company, I test this technical 1 year. Maybe next year successful. I could supply to all the world our agent. So all the world our agent inkjet shoe, the technical is the newest. Every month our engineer update.
Your opinion, with your system, you build some module. It's different from the other brand from China. You can say about your explain how the module is work, Jerry?
Okay. Our company, the print module, the different about all the world's single pass factory machine. In all the world, have print module only two company. One company is HP, and another company is our company, Inkjet Shoe. Yeah, it's different. All the else factory, the printer, use the print head. If the print head have some problem, if the print head dirty, you only one way, ask the employee use your hand cleaning.
Yeah.
But I think it's not good way because every employee do this is different. But our product, our print module use the automatic cleaning system. It's very important. So do you know every customer choose print head. They worry about the print head, the life is short or long. Yeah? If only use hand to cleaning, I think maybe short. If use automatic cleaning, I think I could keep the print head life too long because every day when the customer open the printer, the first step, our print module automatic cleaning system could cleaning the print head, then working. But here's a factory, you only need somebody to check it. That need many more time. And if you find have product or have problem, they only need a person to deal with it. And if our customer find the print head printing the quality is not good, not use hand, only tap the computer in my software. My software could control the cleaning system to cleaning print head.
Okay.
It's a good way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jerry, the last question.
Yeah.
How about market Indonesia in single pass system? What's your opinion?
Okay. In my opinion, there's years I only develop our European agent. This year, 2024, I come to Indonesia and to see one bigger exhibition named Outprint.
Okay.
Yeah, I find in Indonesia have very big marketing single pass. And I met my friend Benny. I know he have a good team. He could make a good quality single pass printer. I believe him. He have many more single pass knowledge. And the boss is a good engineer. So I believe you.
Okay.
I think in the future, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, in the Indonesia single pass marketing, more custom needed. I hope you do the many sample to show, tell them why in the European marketing, we, our Inkjet Shoe, have many more fans because it's good business. This business in the future in Indonesia, I think Mr. Benny could bring everybody, bring every print factory boss, create many more value. Let you become rich man. Okay.
Okay, Jerry.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming in Indonesia, and I will see you again. And thank you for your opinion and information about the future in 2025.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Jerry.
Terima kasih.